Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In today's video, we are off to a cooking class, which includes a market tour and transportation. So learning about Cambodian, Khmer cooking and culture, it's what we're doing today. Included in this tour was transportation from our hotel, so we were picked up right on time by a tuk-tuk and settled back in our ride to the market. This market is very local and quite busy and is a little out of town. Our guide met us there and proceeded to explain a bit about the food and culture.
The small one.
Small one, but the taste is bitter. And we need to peel the skin and we dry it like this one. See the meat. It's bitter like green banana. Yeah. One of our traditional Khmer snack. After breakfast, we also eat like a. This is we use a banana leaf, and inside is a sticky rice and banana, and sometimes we add some jackfruit as well. So like a dessert after breakfast.
Again, this market featured some meats and foods that we're not used to in our North American culture. Extremely interesting, but definitely not for the faint of heart. We're off to the cooking school and a tour of the gardens, which was really interesting.
Okay, everybody also in Cambodia, we also like to grow the banana. And banana, we have many kind of banana as well. And usually we use a banana plant, we used to peel like this from long time ago. We don't use plastic, we used to peel like a wire like this, we dry by sun. And when we go to shopping, and the seller, they like to cut the lotus leaf, and we buy some example like meat. They put the meat into the lotus leaf, and we use the banana wire. Mushroom, yeah. This is we call oyster mushroom. Oyster mushroom is very popular in this village. We like to use for the food. Especially we fry with chicken, we use
Next is time for us to choose what we're going to cook and eat. There are multiple hand washing stations, which was great, and we were separated into groups of 4 at each table. Each step and the ingredients was carefully and clearly explained to us as we ventured through our cooking adventure. All of the ingredients were beautiful and fresh, and we got to work making our dishes. We made them all pretty and placed them on the table. What a feast. It was delicious and we were stuffed by the time we were finished. As a part of the tour, our guide took pictures of us along the way, and at the end of the class, he sent them all to us as a keepsake. He got some great shots and videos that we wouldn't have been able to get on our own. We had a fantastic day at this cooking class, and I highly recommend doing this if you have time when you're in Siem Reap. The class we took was called Khmer Cooking Class at a local's home, and it was booked directly through their website. I'll put a link in the description below. The cost for this class was just under $70 Canadian for the two of us, and included hotel pickup and drop-off, market tour, garden tour, instructions and ingredients for 4 different dishes, as well as a photo shoot. And the experience, priceless. What I made was fresh spring rolls, pineapple fried rice, fish amok, which is a traditional dish in Cambodia, and a sweet potato dessert. All of these dishes were amazing and fresh. I hope you are enjoying our travel vlog through Southeast Asia. If you've missed any of our previous adventures in Japan and Thailand, I'll put the playlist at the end of the video. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos in Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, and Mexico. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.